In this lesson, we're going to learn to count to 100. Let's start from 1 to 10. Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whetu, waru, iwa, tekau. Now let's count the tens up to 100. Tekau is 10. Rua tekau, which is translated as 2 and 10, is 20. Toru tekau, 3 and 10, is 30, and the same applies right up to 100. Whā tekau, 40. Rima tekau, 50. Ono tekau, 60. Whetu tekau, 70. Waru tekau, 80. Iwa tekau, 90. Ko tahi rau, 100. Rau is the word for 100. Ko tahi, 1. Rau, 100. Now let's do a few of the groups of tens, starting with the tens. Tekau mā tahi, 11, which is translated as 10 and 1. Tekau mā rua, 12, 10 and 2. Tekau mā toru, 13, 10 and 3. Tekau mā whā, 14, 10 and 4. Tekau mā rima, 15, 10 and 5. Carry on until you get to tekau mā iwa, 19, and then you will get to 20. Rua tekau. This time rua goes in front of the tekau, and the single number follows. Here's an example. Rua tekau mā tahi, 21, 2 tens and 1. Rua tekau mā rua, 22, 2 tens and 2. Rua tekau mā toru, 23, 2 tens and 3. Rua tekau mā whā, 24, 2 tens and 4. Rua tekau mā rima, 25, 2 tens and 5. Here are a few other examples. Toru tekau mā whā, 34, 3 tens and 4. Ono tekau mā tahi, 61, 6 tens and 1. Iwa tekau mā iwa, 99, 9 tens and 9. Ko tahi rau, 100. Now you should have enough tools to practice counting from 1 to 100.